This is a story about Lily.
Good night, Unicorn Sparkle.
Lily is sleeping, but the night has other plans.
Wind? Mommy? The curtains are alive! They're staring at me! Mommy! Mommy Sara! It's locked! The storm locked me in with the witches! I'm trapped! It's so black! They're coming closer!
Lily, sweetheart, are you in there?
The door swelled from the rain. It sometimes sticks. Hold on.
Mommy!
I was so scared. It's okay, sweetie. I'm here. Thank you. Always, my love.
Breathe with me. In, out. Listen, that's just the sky's big drum. It can't come inside. Come, let's prove it to the dark together. Close your eyes for 3 seconds. Now open.
Stars! Inside my room!
Exactly. The dark doesn't win tonight. We brought the galaxy in here.
The stars are so pretty, but a little scary.
They're just for us, Lily. It's our magic.
Really?
Really.
Watch this magic spell. Hello, Princess Amelia. Hello, Mermaid Luna. See? They're sleeping. They were never witches. The storm just gave them spooky makeup for a minute. This is now your Night Bloom wand. Whenever the dark feels too big, you press here.
I have star power?
The strongest kind. You just turned the ceiling into the Milky Way. No witch, no monster, no thunder can beat that.
Go away, Storm. I have stars now.
And you have me, always.
Mommy, can the stars stay on till I fall asleep?
They'll stay on forever if you want. I'll charge them with kisses every night.
The storm got tired and left. Lily fell asleep holding her Night Bloom wand, dreaming of pink galaxies and the bravest mommy in the universe. Because some heroes don't wear capes. Some heroes carry flower flashlights and turn fear into starlight. Good night, Lily. Be brave like Lily. Thank you for watching.